Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Still on land grabbing matter, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwedon don't reply the lawyer of Okoromi wey do video take defend the Ohen of Okoromi. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze.
A great good evening to ever-conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwedon, the Coordinator General, Edo Diasporal Connect Worldwide, the CEO, Stanley Sadi Enterprise, in fact, the CEO of Oman Edo State. I'm very glad we've resumed work today. Today we'll be able to address some CFO activities, and we carried out some survey today. Because actually, for the past 1 week, we suspended all work-related activities, and we commissioned all our staffs to be on the protest ground so that our agitation see the light of the day. And just recently, just 1 minute, please. Please, I'm on live program. Please call me back. Just today as well, we comrades met ourselves and we interacted on the way forward. And by the power of God, we agreed to unravel our plans when it is manifesting. It is also true that in the society today, commissioned personality designed to blackmail and to bring down a well-organized agitation is on the top gear. But I think as a sensible Edo citizen who will never fall prey for their nefarious and obnoxious actions. But what is expedient is that when there is a goal set out and there is a specific objective outlined in order to achieve the stated goal, no matter the level of distraction, one should be able to make his or her focus a focal point. On our part, we are determined and we know that there is light at the end of the tunnel. We must remain focused. We must remain resolute. We are going to get there someday. Not even someday, in the nearest few days. Now, I deem it fit to come out this evening to respond to the lawyer who claimed to be standing for Okoromi. I want to state this clearly. This is not a crisis between Edo people and the Okoromi community. This is an issue between Edo people and the Ohen of Okoromi and elsewhere where you have land grabbers across the state. So let the lawyer not make it look at it as if it is an issue between Egbiri and Okoromi. I want to state this clearly. We are not here to defend Egbiri. If there are land grabbers in Egbiri, we are going to make sure that any land grabber in Egbiri is going to face the full wrath of the law. So they should not make it look as if it is between Egbiri and Okoromi. Now let us go in details. We are not saying if you have a judgment in court, no person or group of persons has any right whatsoever to prevent you from taking over what rightfully belongs to you. But we are talking of cases where the Ohen of Okoromi sold the land to Mr. A, the same land he will sell it to Mr. B, the same land he will sell it to Mr. C. At the end of the day, this three buyer will not even have access to the land. Somebody somewhere that has a very large chunk of resources will take over such land. That's where we are having issues. The lawyer should not try as much as possible to paint it to look as if these people bought from the wrong side. No, we are not saying those who bought from Egbiri. We are saying those sold by the Ohen of Okoromi. And we have series of documents to that effect. And by the power of God Almighty, these documents are going to get to the hands of the Edo State government tomorrow. You are dealing with intelligent people. You cannot just come out with the superficial excuses and embellish story to paint the narrative. No. Now, there are cases where people bought from Egbiri and they went to Okoromi to one family, solidarize their document by way of interacting with Okoromi. Then the elders of Okoromi approved their right to be on such land because of the fact that the illicit Ohen who came in to be through the back door knows that there are no more available land to sell in the community. He is now busy selling every other land that has been revalidated by his own community. It's the Ohen of Okoromi saying that the elders of Okoromi from the Ojiowere down to the end have no right whatsoever to speak, or because you are wearing the apron string of an Uhe, does that gives you the impetus whatsoever not to recognize the fact that there are elders in your community? Is the honor of Oromi up to about 50 years? No. Is the honor of Oromi up to about 50? We are talking about old men, elders, validating documents, and the lawyer is coming out to say if they want to, they should go to court. Social media is not the issue. We are not agitating for a bill. We are saying the land sold by the owner of Oromi himself. Why he was the CDA chairman, why he was the lead chairman, I don't even know. The same land, he is grabbing it back from those he sold to. From those he sold to. I expect the lawyer to respond to that. He's trying to make it look as if it is between Okoromi and Egbiri. Have I been commissioned to fight for Egbiri? Have we been commissioned to fight for Egbiri? If there are land grabbers in Egbiri, they are going to face the full wrath of the law. Now let's look at it from the pluralistic value. Now a developer who went to a community to buy land, never have the intention. Excuse me, please. Hello, please. I'm on live. I'm on live with you. I'm on live, please. I am on live, please, live. A developer who went to go and buy a land in a community never went there with the intention to go and cause conflict. Okay. Those people that are throwing away that's okay. All right. A developer that went to buy a land in a community never went there to go and get such land because he or she needs conflict. A developer went to a particular place for either commercial reason, for industrial reason, for recreational reason, for residential reason, and so what not. The intention is not to go to a community to go and buy land and begin to form a trouble. Now, if peradventure, you notice that a developer now noticed that where he bought the land from, he actually bought from the wrong person, and he went to go and he should be given an opportunity to go and solidarize and validate his document with the rightful owner. The idea of saying, no, I don't want to hear, I want to demolish it in totality, it's absolutely very wrong. Or it negates the rights of good conscience. That is the simple truth. Give room for ADR. Now, what about the physically challenged? Even there's a language called temper justice with mercy. The language exists. It never started today. Temper justice with mercy. The same man who you want to sell the land for is going to give you money. The one who occupied the land illegally, owing to the fact that he was not aware of the fact that that land does not belong to that community, he should be given opportunity as well to solidarize, to validate his document with you. We are not saying you should not collect money or you should not take the land that rightfully belongs to your community. But grabbing land that you sold is totally unacceptable. What about a man who came all the way from Delta State to go and buy land in Oromi? Sorry, bro, Michael, sir. Sorry for not taking your calls. Sorry, I was charging my phone. I was playing PSD just to wait for the phone to charge so that I can come. I actually promised to come out by 7:30, but due to some unforeseen occurrence that was above my control, I was not able to meet up based on the electricity, and I have to charge my phone. So sorry for not taking your calls. Now, under a normal situation, you are supposed to give room for people to interact. Now, what about the man who came all the way from Delta State to buy land in Okoromi? He bought the land from the Ohe. The Ohe sold the land to him. After some years, the guy returned back, let me come and start developing. The Okoromi encroached into the land, took over the land. The same land is sold. Now the guy in that place, I want to walk on my line, I said, no, you're not going to enter there, you're not going to enter there. At the end of the day, the both of them are negotiated. He now agreed that the guy should come and give him extra 1 million. That alone is theft. You sold the land. You told the person not to enter the same land of which you received money with your account. It's because those persons were annoying. That man, it might be enlightened, but he chose to pass through the peaceful perspective. Now, he gave you said go and bring the sum of 1 million. The man gave the owner of Okoromi the sum of 1 million naira. As we speak, he collected the 1 million naira and he refused to give the land to the rightful owner. What do you expect now? If everybody is acting like owner of Okoromi, don't you think that those developers, they are behaving like owner of Okoromi? Souls would have been lost in the Okoromi community if the developer is like the Ohe. I want to tell you again, on the protest ground, somebody came, he cried to us that the owner of Okoromi used his full building to make a gift, to act as a gift to somebody. The lawyer is supposed to be addressing these key issues. He should not drag it into Egbiri and Okoromi. We have no issues with Egbiri and Okoromi. If there are judgments between these two communities, that is none of our business. Our business is let the right thing be done. The land you sold, you should not go and resell it. Don't sell one land to 3 places. And that's what is happening in Okoromi community. Not in the entire Okoromi community, but the Ohe of Okoromi. By the Ohe of Okoromi. So it should not sweep it as if they now won at the court. Fine. Okoromi is not the first community to win at the court. We have communities that even Igbo community won in court at the Supreme Court, which is the apex court. Okoromi have the right to take over land won at any court of competent jurisdiction. No dispute. But the land the owner of Okoromi sold, he's reselling it. He's taking it forcefully from people. That is what we consider as an usurper. That man is a lawyer. He should be sincere enough. He said, go to court, go to court. We cannot go to court for now. Because the same court that you are talking about, I don't know, let me not castigate the court. But we cannot go to court for now. If we choose to go to court, we won't have acknowledged the PPP. That is why today we are pressuring, we are ensuring that the PPP law takes immediate implementation. That is the goal. We want the PPP law to be implemented with immediate effect. The PPP law can better address this problem as amended 2021. And thank God today, the Edo Federal Assembly has commenced investigation into the issue related to Ohe of Okoromi. And we know that political big powers are doing everything humanly possible to prevent it. But the fact is this, regardless of what, we are calling on all the Edo people to shine their eyes. Make tea. Now, I have never said that I'm perfect. I have stated this before now, categorically. I, for one, Usakono, only sold land as well. I won't deceive you. But I did not sell one land for 2 persons. Never. Never. Let me quickly tell you this. Even if I am like this today, I am into the streets. I will not come out here to make anybody like me or to embellish myself. I was born and brought up as a Jehovah's Witness. There are things I will never do. There are things I will never do. Forget some man going down the street. I have a Bible trained conscience. I'm not a perfect person, but there are things I can never. If I tell you now as I grow like this, so I never go club once you go believe. No. There are things I can never do. I know go first time that they begin think of say no go plan want to go do this person evil. No. The highest is I will run away from you. And that is the highest I can do. I was okay, at the way this person be so, make I run from her. But if you can't take my head, if you know so you don't leave your head for us, prepare well. Prepare. Prepare well. We can tell anybody the truth. So let us not make it look as if we hate the Ohe of Okoromi. No, we don't hate him. Believe me, first, the woman who cried out openly said in the first video, even if she was being pressured to not say, I don't support her, she's a woman, I understand, she's going to stay in that area. In the first video that went viral, where that prompted everyone to engage in this struggle, was one. She said, as she managed, she went to Ohe of Okoromi, and the rest, she explained all. We were touched and we picked up the issue immediately. And then those people responded massively. Then Ohe of Okoromi don't know where he want to run to again. He immediately started to find you know when low don't beat for person, you find he wanted dropper. He couldn't find how he wanted CABA. Now he organized a cock and bull, an amateur dramatic play. As I said yesterday, I defined it. I said a drama is a kind of theatrical performance through which an actor impersonates a physical action, enacting a story of entertainment to the audience. That was what he did. all in a bid to drop it. Those who claim that they seriously supported the struggle are busy fighting the mechanism that is pushing forward an agitation to see the light of the day and to create a better land tenure system in Edo. I want to state this clearly. While I was serving as a vice chairman in my community, my activity was never illegal. The government did not prohibit it. In fact, the government was the one establishing CDAs across the state, heavily led by Dodo. The government of Edo State, under the tutelage of the Oshomole administration, establishing CDA across the state in Edo. It was legal. That was when we ruled. When the same government, because government is continuing, when the same government came to say, now we are punishing it, it is not illegal, we immediately stopped the illegality because it has been proscribed as illegal activities. We must respect the law. We must respect the law. So while we were in operation, it was never illegal. Get it clearly. The government never prohibited it. And when the government said it's enough, it's enough, ably supported by our royal father, Oba Atope, he said, ably supported by our royal father, every wise thinking person and enlightened person should know that government is ready to make scapegoats, and I cannot be a scapegoat. I have to tender. I am no longer part of it. As we speak, any land I sold to anybody is a legitimate land because I was duly elected to serve my community. I did not grant it. Go and check. As of 2016, 2017, there was nothing like 2016, there was nothing like ban on CD. It was in existence in Edo State, heavily endorsed by the government. In fact, the election that brought me to power, the government was aware, and the commissioner of police under the DNDK supervised the activity, and I was given a legitimate certificate of return. Even it was the DSS that broke out the peace that created elections in the Igbo community. Go and find out this there. These documents, and they go to the office of the State Security Service. You get these details. It is there. The DSS. Go. But when it is over, it is over. And having a CDA does not give you the right whatsoever to sell one land to multiple persons. Having a legitimate CDA, only a government that recognizes CDA, does not give you the same right to sell one land for three persons. Right from history to date, whether it was backed by law or not backed by law, selling one land to three persons is criminality. Selling one land to three persons is criminality. Whether it was backed or not backed, it is criminality. That is the truth. So I want to state this clearly. The lawyers should not try to fine-tune the issue. He who must come to equity must come with clean hands. Vox populi, vox Dei. The voice of the people is the voice of God. I want to state this clearly. You have a Supreme Court judgment. Fine. I don't know if you have a Supreme Court judgment. You are saying you have the judgment, it's your right. If you have the judgment, fine. Your land is your land. But the issue, okay, what about the man who has 6 plots, an indigenous of Oromi community? Altogether 6 plots, altogether was about 16 plots. The same Owe of Oromi took over the land. In fact, the father of Owe of Oromi got his own land from the proceeds of that sharing. He collected his father's own and sold it. He sold the one of the other people. And people are still coming out to defend him. Let's be sincere to ourselves. Let nobody change this narrative. I do not hate Uwan of Oromi, and I believe all the comrades that were working together never hate Uwan of Oromi. But the truth must be said. And for those who have been following me, even before this issue, I have started raising eyebrow about Oromi. And I walk back. But today, Oromi became the focal point because the activity of Oromi went beyond what is normal. I have been raising issue in respect to the owner of Okoromi. In fact, as we speak, I said it before, I have over 12 CFOs in Okoromi. As we speak, even just recently, a man who had the CFO on the land, it was a senior politician in this state that broke out the peace because the guy has a CFO. They wanted to stay as well, grab the land. The same land is sold. It was one of a respected politician in this state that we respect so much that called him to say, come, that land has a CFO, desist. If not, the whole of Ogomi wanted to still grab the land. But I advise the client, keep calm, let him grab it, allow somebody to build on it. Fine, you have your CFO, wait, they will go to court. The principle of quick whip latetor, solo sed it, will prevail. He who owns the land owns what is fixed and attached to the land. Heir above to heaven, apart from the law of eminent domain that prevents you to owe it to heaven, owing to the fact that we have what we call public right of way in the airspace. But beyond that, heir above to heaven is considered as land. So I want to state it clearly. The Ohe of Okoromi knows that he has already contravened the nitty-gritty. Let me tell you, if I be Ohe of Okoromi, I will begin to bring in compensation. It don't happen. I will use an alternative means, ADRO, to settle my case. If I have a case and I notice that the land when I sell not clear, my brother, even if I not feel refund your money once, I will tell you, say not first, I will pay small. I will pay small. Why I will come out to go fight, go defend that land when I sell? Say, I sell land for you, not pay go enter. I will fight to defend down to the land. Then I will beg you, say, if you support me, let's fight together. But if you cannot wait for the purpose of your land, please, take it out, pay your money small. Waiting I say, well, I'm not saying I'm a legal right to sell out. I cannot later take it for myself or sell it to regain my resources. That's what the world economy is supposed to be doing. And it's supposed to come out to tender all his other apology to all Edo people. Do you know how many petitions that is flying in again? It is as if the anti-CDA law is geared towards Ohe of Okoromi or is targeted towards Ohe of Okoromi. Because every call that I have received is Okoromi. Every call that I have received is Okoromi. I'm saying, let me tell you this simple truth. God knows my mind. Somebody called me today. I have him on phone. He always both. In fact, he's one of those attacking me on social media. I told him point blank. I'm not telling you that if I let me God punish me as this way. If you like, you bring 100 billion. You bring 1 billion lands for this matter. Say, take rest. I will never accept it. I will never accept it. And I know, see, one thing when I learned from my life is this, and my father taught me. He said, my son, try to be honest. When you say honesty, not be saying you say, you know, they do bad. No. Honesty now, the ability to as well own up to the one you do and the one you do and when you know that you say not me do one. I not come here and tell you, say, I'm very perfect. Say, as this protest they go on now, say somebody come and say, I'm going to go how far? Well, I'm not saying maybe you get up Okoromi, but you're not from Okoromi side. You can't tell us, I don't like what you do, so I'm going to take this pure water, I'll say, I know take. I know deceive you. If you like, go use and make video. So, was I'm going to say, they say, take pure water, you take. But say, make you when they steal people, now come tell me, say, take, go bend the story, go talk on that one. I said it on a live video. I said, even as we love Obaseki, I never promised him, say, I will sell my integrity for them. No way. I never promised him. Do you know why I will not destroy my own integrity? Influence is better than money. Reputation is greater than money because when you have good reputation, you make money. But when your reputation is dead, money is over. Now, if today, after this, maybe at this show we just did, hey, we say we not agree, they can't call us go on one corner. They can't give me one by two. They can't put 5 million naira journal. That's what I'm going to put it. Or I don't do. I can come and say, don't people the way it be now. If you say more look at what they attack this one, it may not be so. Why would not you say making just do like this now? You know, we support you say, bros, no wahala. People will say no problem. Tomorrow me go come say, come and vote for me. Come and vote for me. Now people will ask to say, come. What did they worry this goat? May we vote for you. You were betrayed. Don't people go 1 by 2. My dear, I have a promising future. I never live half of my life. Nobody will kill me. Nobody. So I never old. I'm a young man. I never live up my, so I will never compromise my future because a piece of cake will not last reach tomorrow. A piece of cake will not go reach tomorrow. Because the way you arrange the money for ground, you go your hand. You go your hand for ground. They'll say, shut. Excuse me, please. Shut. See money. So now me the only reason one beg. You your collector. So let me tell you. If you collect them, it go sweet you at that moment. If you finish, your voice is gone. You see this voice? Now let me tell you why the fit talk. No matter anything anybody talk about me, I no worry. Matter why the fit talk. Because inside my conscience, I know say I don't say one land or two person. So as I dey feel young, and I know still come here and tell you say I better pass anybody. No. But let me tell you, more get conscience. More get conscience. More get conscience. That is what the agitation is about. And for those who really say, I love Governor Obaseki, if you say you love governor, because we don't expect everybody to love governor. There are people who will be saying they might not, they don't even like governor past week, and they work against government in the past. They like, because of this law, because they have been injurious people, they say, no, this law must succeed. Talk less of we say we be talking. Not we suppose who stand let this law work. Now let me tell you, if this law no work, if we not support this law make it work, we have succeeded in tarnishing the image of the government. Say when they use for selective justice, say Bona, that leader don't call. See, that kind of one we'll stand with the government, but we'll make the world know. Say, I you see this one, so I not support. I go exonerate myself. I swear, I cannot spoil my name for anybody. I not say I go do. My integrity said no even reach. I get me seven with the talk so, and my integrity said I'm small. Me still get my own for my body. Me self still get my own problem. Me self still they fuck up. Me self still they misbehave some area. In some area, me no just still good. In some area, I said that maybe the worst. But you see this particular area, most stand firm for this one. I was for the rest fine, but for this one, most still stand firm. Me like money, oh. I like. In fact, let me tell you, I feel they sleep now around 2 o'clock for midnight. They'll come and say, they say somebody's when you go do the survey. If I feel though, I'll find it up. If I feel manager, I'll get to go do one. Me I collect that money. I like money, but I know they collect evil money. I know they collect evil money. I not tell you say I don't like money. I never pretend there one day say I'll come and say anything they happen in respect to politics. I'll say I'm fighting for those people. I'm not fighting for myself. I'm dying for them. I'm not dying for myself. I'm fighting for you alone. No. I never do on one day. I come and tell everybody, say, as I fight for you, me they fight for my own self too. I not tell you say I fight to let you alone. Me not get family to feed. I won't deceive you. But as now, let me tell you, as of now, we are very Osakodopoli is extremely glad. You know why? Because our voice not feel lost. Why the voice not feel lost? We say the whole world now they cook for us. So one person food not gonna make me say because if I go to look on another person food when the whole world they cook for me and they look only one man food, that is to say I'm the most greediest person on earth. I am the most greediest person on earth. If one says Osakodopoli, then what yeah, Osakodopoli, oh my money where your motel one pap you only get no dear go. As I come, say if you transport to your account in them, wait till the person they call transport to my brother. If you check on Boko, you see now this one they call transport. Okay, see what happen now. I not go deceive you now. No. So when I hear my phone making now somebody send me money. No. So How this person send me money so? He called me yesterday. I do survey for him. He says, if you fit go there, my house, go drop that survey. They come and say you don't drop on. Wait. Instantly. You see the race. Now send them a staff. They come and say they don't drop on. Now I call the guy say, you don't drop the survey. As now you talk so. See, the alert enter. As the alert enter now, my staff will go there. So now 20K the pay send me now. So free 20K. I tell you now. This 20K will send me so. Now the staff only say go. Me want as far instant 5K give them. Make them sit it. That's so it be. So now, this one are the one where I report to. What are the one where I no report? I dey work on the day. So if I'm getting all this benefit, shoe I not buy. As we speak today, my perfume wey me dey spray, I never buy anyone. Not be everything they talk. Another one just see enter today. So I can afford to take perfume. Perfume. What me call it? So after all this free thing, I still going to put for one small year. Oh God, we are going to fight to the end. I know it's anybody, but let us just make sure we stand firm. Now, I want to ask you, you be the judge in this case. If you now sack will not hold you, Mr. A do for you, Mr. B do for you, Mr. C do for you, only you they do for only you. What till you go still do back for people? If you cannot pay them back individually, do a collective fight that will benefit them all. That is my stance. If I cannot pay you individually for the effort, why a woman came from diaspora, she's still around now. She came before, she's still around now. Woman just come today, just call me. We never see now. As the woman coming from Johnson, if I reach that, I want buy land. Your job, like follow me all through. Now say, okay, no problem. As she just come and say she's in Nigeria. Now your drive go meet her. Mama, I greet you. We can't work out that day. That day when I first sick. When I just sick, we can't go around, move, do everything. No, it's gone through. As I want to go, the woman say, yes, I'm going to take the cat money. She did Benin as well. She did around said, no. The cat money said, you want to give me? Now I say, Mama, I'll come. Now say, Mama, come. Now everything when me do you, they want pay me put. Which one me want to do for free? Keep your money. For this one, I stand to follow you waka. Not be say, make you come pay me for this one. If you want to do the survey of this your land and the sea of food, you go pay me. But for this one, we'll tell waka, you know still pay me. No, leave this one, the normal level. So, if I swear to God Almighty, who's a big screenshot video, who's a big cut video, when I begin cut out the paste out, I will never, anything when you want to talk about me, I may offend the world. Not bother yourself. And not bother yourself. You say, no, I want this one Punisher. No. So people say this motive you understand, you say that's right. When you say make a talk, not be where things they follow come meet me. Where I go to see everyone go face. Man go to talk another place. Or man go to pretend say I ain't even be dancing. I said they get money. When I saw back and they call them for phone say hello, my brother, you know how to build, you only travel. No, I never carry phone when they call anybody say hello, man. No, people will. I want to tell you one thing will happen one day. I just tell my house nothing. One or two during that Sienna bus struggle. Till today that man not call me again. You know you may pay me just as I will nobody offer. Yeah, me no so no problem. Stand with the way you stand, my son. I can't see ready. Bros, I dey waka dey go for road 100K para. I don't tell una before. I say come. If as I dey like this soon, I don't fit deceive anybody. Now you use this language. Reason now with your brain if you wise, because not be everything I will talk. As a wise man, reason now with your brain. See, if I stand with the Edo people against any individual, reason with your head. No matter who the individual be, as far as say na collective result by Edo people, I stand with them against any individual, no matter the love. no matter the love. You have your brain to reason it. Now then I want to leave that area. So the point is this: let us be sincere. See, let me tell you, when you are real, you show your truth. See, no matter how you try to color your character configuration, you know if you code and I go open one day. He go open one day, no matter how you pretend it. That is why I hate pretense. And see, believe me, and not like me, oh, not just like me. If you watch another, if you look at, you see no say me as a day like this. I never ever tell you one day say I want to reach the level where we say man like me, slap me, I'll say thank you for slapping me. We go push it. How we come? I come. I not tell you. So nobody say I am disappointed. Because I'm gonna hold it. No, you get where they reach sometimes. Don't want that video. Two men were to make man. Don't stand for street. Don't want that for that video. In case when it happen, they're not gonna make story. Not what they say. They not came with boys. No, they'll say the boys come. Then all this thing there, and they say they roll circle. Forget it happen. Not everybody. It happen. Those two men were not to make no. They'll check each other. They check each other. They'll wear clothes. They'll start to play again. But they'll know say it get they take day individually. Not be noise. We not dey pretend. We not come there when they say maybe you like us. No, but let the truth be said. Not job like me. And in fact, I want even to look for what I will do in nothing like me. But more your stuff the truth. Be yourself. We all be ourselves. We all be say, as I did so, fact say, as I did so, and then me. If somebody say, I not to believe in all those excessive dressing. I'll finish Betrus people I go River State if na business. Say you come in now, say maybe as a day now, you come in say, they say the work na this thing. Man, I'll better say, my kids for road. If you see my wife for road, you can use that to judge me. You can use that to judge me. You see my kids. Yes, the network they use that mistake. If you see my, I not to say the fine or the ugly, I don't know. But if you see them for road, you will not judge. You sure say this boy the try so or you know the try. Check. Not be saying me you come and say, I just need to be clean. Clean, arrange, go, and must not wear even a hat. Are you clean? Are you entitled? They also continue. If I see come and relax, not be alpha. Not be alpha. Now where? Not be alpha. We want to try work with early. More know when we taste up. As I tell you like that, I talk about the vanguard, they laugh me. Now live video I talk. I said only once I don't try to play. I'm not come here, come from say, when I see people say, I'm taking flight. And I only once. And that was when I enter. I don't talk this for nobody follow me way. I shock. I said, the plane one move, but that didn't mean no say gallop self there. Every day sky gallop. One guy go correct me, say no be gallop. He get what he call the thing for engineering language. I don't forget. As they come down from Monitor Mohammed Airport, now from Kano to Lagos. As I see look for them, that's what's going the way. As I look at many of them like Pelebe, you know so Pelebe don't rope. I say, God, I beg you, if you feel so far for this one, God. This small picking way sit down near me. He said they even know whether na plane dey. You know that one don't spoil well for plane matter. You know, my daddy came and my mommy came. My belly don't know who. I not fit talk. They have the form the laugh, the shine teeth like say me they not see no say this one fuck up day. But me no say well. I say I come down, I don't come out for plane. I don't enter again today. That was as of 2011 during post-election crisis in the north. I can't pretend about it. Say, I want to assume. Maybe you believe me. No. I don't assume. Go read the word when I marry for us. I not assume to follow on one day. We just, it's just knows the very day when me and sister, she know now this the order of my trial, the dirty way they not be small. I have to come out for bush. Now we see alpha. So as we up there, so we take day. And not come here to come and impress you. Say, man, now wait, what's up? What do you for? No. No. God can say try for we. We call it try, they go small, small. Now me as I did so, now you say because I did that video, I dey pray, make God not let me get the kind of opportunity will make me call the misbehave. Ask people if you think I am joking, if you think maybe I dey paint town, just enter Obahil. For anywhere for Obahil, call, ask questions, say, hello, you get one guy who will not put it. Come stand you, say, I be. See, let me tell you, I think confront me that town normal. Any confront slap me, I said, so my fellow member will slap her for Obahil, say, they Chris. Now, starting with this slap, for example, I dey tell you to ask. Now, a fellow member will say, they'll slap her back. When me no sentiment, all men they live together, me get that for anybody. I don't know if you are in any organization. You are my friend. I don't think if you are my friend now. I have said it before now. If you say make you select who not be called TC, you want follow and play, you don't get friend for Benin. 90% of boys, they different game. But select the good one and become friends. It's normal. Not be everybody where they confront be bad person. Some say, not even know say they want to join confront before they join. They don't join, they don't join. So I will not come out here to come and be pretending. Maybe you like me, no. I just like to be real. I just like to be real. Now make I defend that real. I want to defend the real. Make you understand. Not be you and Jesus the talk. Now you and normal Abaku guy for street. Not be Jesus. Jesus now get total perfection. Me self see get my fuck up. A very big one. My own yesterday my body. Me self for yesterday so I see the fail as a man. I the fail sometimes. Don't tell me say you don't say the fail. But you know what it? I dey like to learn every day. In the university of life, no man is a graduate. We all continue to learn. I don't tell you before I say as when I did church directly before I backslide because I not can qualify again, my character not come good to fit follow them. There is they get what they call theocratic ministry school. It is a school of no graduation. Not be school teach me how to talk as an orator. I mean, it is because I was a Jehovah's Witnesses. I small when I started to address audience. We get what they call speech cancer then. From the beginning, they get informative material and clear understandable. Then they teach you how to make speech. Not be school teach me speech. Not be school teach me speech. Now Jehovah's Witnesses teach me speech. Now Jehovah's Witnesses teach me speech. I can't take calls now. Now Jehovah's Witnesses teach me speech. Let's not pretend about it. So, today's discussion is not about me. I am not against anybody. But the truth is, let the barrister give the real narrative. But we'll get conscience. Money they have a physically challenged man, you demolish the building. And whether that same community, these same people, they dash game, you go say, hello, baby, take, you go dash and land. I'm a guy farmer, I go dash and land. Guy take the physically challenged man. We let the IB, you demolish your ass. Something I do for me, I say, IB. Now that one, the same I want to tell you. If you know, say you know me here, you wait. I want to tell you this word again. I want to come now. I want to come now as we speak. When they do vice chairman for my community, 65% of land developer don't know me. I beat chest talking. 65% of land developer in that community don't know me. Till now. They never even see me. They don't know me. They never see me for once. It is not how far. It is our way. Let's say the truth as it is. What Owe of Ohoromi is doing is bad. Not be me one use mouth to talk alpha about Yoweshi. You know, so when crisis don't start like this, different narrative become. As we speak, Owe family people don't call me. Tell me about Oweshi. But that one not concern me for now. I'm not going to talk put for now. Except they are willing to come out to talk. I'll give the platform. If they don't want to come out, I can't say anything. That's none of my business. My business is, I have no right whatsoever to install traditional ruler in communities. That is solely within the prerogative of our royal father, where I did not talk about. So, Oba talk by now I get that area. So when nobody no go fit talk, go that side. Any agitation in respect to that should be channeled to the palace. The Oba has the wisdom and discernment to address such issues. But the truth of the matter is, let us do the right thing at the right time. The lawyer should not try to paint the story. Don't change the story. Don't make our agitation look like we are standing for those who vote for Egbiri. Who cares about Egbiri? Who cares about Okorom? Who cares about any of these communities? What we care about is if a dumb man or woman buy land, don't scare away our investors. As we speak today, all of us, including me, talk say I do not be Lagos. All of us, including me, now we say I do not be Lagos. But as we speak, our developers are now being dragged to Lagos. Our developers are now buying lands in Lagos State. Because they are afraid to buy land in Edo. They are afraid to buy land in Edo. You know how many people don't come and say, I can't do survey for Lagos. I'll tell you, say, we get different numbers and survey code. As we speak, now Edo, now we for to do our own and Delta State. We can do survey in Delta, we can do survey in Edo. And they hardly block people. I don't say I know the block. Every individual has a right to express their opinion. But please, do not blackmail anybody. Ensure that whatever you want to say, it is the truth. Don't, there is this, if you understand the etymology of my statement, you will know say there is this game on social media. When you come out, they bring out an agitation, you say we must address this wrong. Those same set of people go come, look for a way to tarnish your image, make people for not take your word serious. Who on earth as big as Edo will say land grabbing? It's right. As we speak today, there are people openly supporting land grabbing, indirectly or directly. Now you don't support land grabbing, you hate land grabbing. I am saying let us stop land grabbing. I am under attack. What does that tell us? The likes of Kola Edopaye Society where they talk about CB are saying let's say no to land grabbing. Everyone is joining him to say let's say no to land grabbing, but they are attacking Matthew Festus, Christopher Paul, and many others who are saying no to land grabbing. Invariably, that is support to land grabbing. Now, let's say our agitations are not genuine. For example, let's say our agitations are not genuine. We have an ulterior motive. And that ulterior motive is saying, stop land grabbing, stop land grabbing. Is the goal not to stop land? Is it not? What is the goal? Is it not to stop land grabbing? Now, when you keep suspecting people, check yourself. You believe that there are benefits in an actions, and if people are fighting in that area because you have identified a benefit there, you believe that someone somewhere have identified that same benefit too. Because you see, say, money go come out for year, child. Even if somebody they do that thing without even thinking of benefit, You go say, ah, now this one make the one, I no go gree. That is the truth. That is the simple truth. For you to say, now the goal is let's end land grabbing. Fair to end it. All of us can play a role in ending land grabbing. Leave Mr. A to the fight in home from the corner and say, stop land grabbing, stop land grabbing. If you are not comfortable with the style of Mr. A, leave Mr. A and come out with a better style to fight it. The end result is mainland grabbing stop. Leave Osakuna, leave Jobu, leave Festus, leave Christopher, leave every other people. You from your land grabbing. Do your best to put an end to it. While you are fighting to stop land grabbing and you are looking at the other one to say, no man, this one will not genuine. No man, you are not fighting land grabbing. You are looking at the economic benefit in the fight against land grabbing. If you are sincere, fight from your angle. Let posterity judge everybody. Posterity is there to judge everybody. Nemo Judas in Kaseswa. No man shall be a judge in his own case. Allow everybody, even if say Osakuna Holding is a fraud, let the people identify my fraudship. Let me tell you. You get what thing I dey observe for this our live video and all these our agitations on media. Some people they feel say, not be some people, including we, those Sakunokodi and others, when they feel say people when they listen to us now. Let me tell you today, professors are watching you, doctors are watching you, enlightened personnel are watching you. People don't even say, no man is going to just talk like. You can't deceive everybody for God's sake. You cannot be the most intelligent person on earth. No way. Do you know intellectuals, adult men and women around the world? So since when they born that now, they like come up book for one. The VRC they'll say, oh man, I'm impressed with this young man. I like this young man. Not to say they worked it. Where your own for stop. Some people won't start from there. Where your own for stop. After like 50 years, now there's some people who start. So if people accept you, it's just a privilege, not a right. Not a right, not privilege. Thank God. When you go to the event, you say, Father Jesus, thank you, my Lord, wherever I am now, it is by your grace. God is celebrating. As you see me so, you know that I fear. My greatest fear in life is not to laugh at anybody. I not go try. You know why they fear to laugh person? I know one guy from my area, he just lucky way road. Now man like me, the eye clear everything. As when you talk now, he don't blind. If they tell that man before, say don't worry, in future in life you will be blind, he no believe. But today is a blind man. Normal la gonfo or giarwao. Normal la gonfo or giarwao. When you people say, you go sit there, the meet poor man, they tell the poor man, say, don't worry, my brother, nobody knows tomorrow. If you were, now for both rich and poor, the rich can be poor and the poor can be rich. If you raise yourself, why God give you opportunity? If you fall, people will go laugh you. God said go forgive those who laugh you. He go forgive them and say, this guy deserves to be laughed. That is why you see me as I do so. I no one day try to raise this body. Because I know they laugh me later. Because I don't get anything they say I get. Especially you want to approve. Say it too much. I'll tell you, say calm down. Calm down. God will dey heaven. None know wetin be dollar, naira, pounds. If you go church, you go pay. The one wey dey China, they pay for offering with yuan. The one wey dey America, they pay with dollar. The one wey dey Britain, they pay with pounds. The one wey dey Europe, they pay with euro. The one wey dey Nigeria, they pay with naira. All na offering. Everybody claims say they give God. None of this naira or dollar or pounds, they go God. Now life, now we see riches. This house wey me for the do broadcast so. Now who get the key, the enter. You don't know the owner. If you die, everything. It is vanity upon vanity. Let your exit from the world be remembered more than your entry. Remember to leave an indelible mark in the sand of time. Thank you very much. It's me, your brother, your friend. Come and stand in Osaze Osakwena. I want the lawyer from Okoromi to know that we are not targeting Okoromi as a community. We are not targeting Egbiri as a community. We are targeting individuals who are land grabbers in this community. Everybody in Okoromi cannot be bad. No. But the owner of Okoromi is a problem in Okoromi. He's grabbing people's land, including the one he sold. So barrister, get it clearly. That is the message. Do not make it look as if we paint Okoromi as bad. Okoromi don't know who they inside. Okoromi is the name of settlement. Now people they. Now those individuals where they act, they will target. The people of Okoromi should go back to go on with their legitimate businesses. But the owner of Okoromi will stop land grabbing in Edo State. That is the point. Thank you very much. It's me, your friend. In the course of my discussion, I may have offended you. Forgive me. It's as a result of the fact that I have to say it the way it is. And that is the truth. Thank you, Osakwena. I want to say bye for now.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwena. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.